boses mo. Ikaw din magsasagot. Tanong mo ito.
Andito po tayo sa Wildcard Gym para interviewin si Mr. Manny Pacquiao. I-interviewin po natin siya tungkol sa laban niya kay Barrera. Mr. Manny Pacquiao, ano pong masasabi niyo tungkol sa laban ni Barrera? Nangyari kay Pacquiao. Ito na si Pacquiao. Ang masasabi ko kay may fight with Barrera is very good, but she's very terrible and fantastic. My fight with Barrera is good, very good. He's a good fighter, but handsome. And that fight, I not hurt. When he punched me like this,
God.
when he punched me like that, no, I'm not hurt with that, Brad. And I dedicate that fight to all my Philippines, Filipino, and TFC subscribers, especially to my Aramina. He has a good moves, and if you notice, my English is, medyo Carabao in English, but it is good, and my fight with Barrera is good. I have a long time to exercise, practice that fight, but he cannot beat me still. I dedicate that fight to all my Philippines, Filipino, and to my children. To my Philippines, Philippines. Can I interview Mr. Roach to my coach? All I can say with Barrera is good, but he is a good fighter. Did you know that? And my mole is very big, and my mouth is very long, so that I am called Duck. And I'm Freddy Roach. I do not toothbrush every day. I toothbrush every month. Once a month only. Galing, no? And I change my underwear yearly. Good, di ba? Kaya kayo, mag-newsep na rin kayo. Tignan mo, nakhaba ng uso ko, no? And ito ba? Kaya ganito ko ngayon because I'm shy with the camera. I'm shy so that I'm covering my face with the pillow. And this is magic. Even though my mouth is not moving, I'm talking. Magically, di ba? That's with the Bulldog Super Glue. So that use Bulldog Super Glue to speak and song like this. Ano ba sasabihin ko? Speak like this. Kami wando. And